Sarah was having the worst day of her life. She'd just been laid off, her car broke down, she had to walk home in the rain. Then a stranger opened the door for her and smiled. That 6-second interaction saved her life. What if I told you that your smallest actions are secretly shaping the world around you? Today I'm revealing the hidden science of micro moments and introducing you to a framework that will transform how you see every single interaction you have. Scientists call it the butterfly effect, the idea that small causes can have large effects. But here's what they don't tell you. This isn't just theory. It's happening in your life right now. Harvard researchers discovered that when someone experiences an act of kindness, they're 3 times more likely to help others within the next 24 hours. That single act doesn't just help one person. It creates a ripple that touches dozens. Let me tell you about Michelle, a barista in Detroit. Every morning she wrote small motivational messages on customers' cups. One day she wrote, "You matter" on a cup for a customer. That customer, Jennifer, was planning to quit school that very day. She saw the message, took a photo, and posted it online with the caption, "Maybe I should stay." The post went viral, inspiring thousands of students to persevere through tough times. Michelle had no idea, but that one act, maybe 10 seconds of her day, impacted thousands. Here's what no one wants to talk about. The reverse is true also. Our small negative choices create negative ripples too. Remember the bystander effect? When people assume someone else will help, so nobody does, it's not just happening in emergencies. It's happening in your office, your family, your community every single day. These lead to larger breakdowns. I learned this the hard way. There was a small conflict on one of my teams, and I put off addressing it. It'll resolve itself, I thought. 2 months into the season, a player quit. Our record wasn't great, and coaches were miserable, all because I didn't have a 5-minute conversation. This is why we developed the CARE framework. 4 simple principles that turn unconscious micro moments into intended impact. C is for competing with character. Notice your micro moments and start doing what you know is right. A is for attitude of gratitude. Remember those times people treated you correctly and be thankful. R is for respect and responsibility. Think about how this might ripple. You're not just living your life. E is for engage enthusiastically. Enthusiastic effort in small things creates excellence in everything. Here's how you implement CARE today. Pick one micro moment that happens daily. Maybe it's how you end your phone calls. Instead of bye, try "I hope you have a great day." 10 seconds extra, but that positive energy is there. Instead of rushing out the door, take a minute to make your bed first. You're practicing excellence, and that energy follows you all day long. The key is consistency, not perfection. One intentional micro moment per day for 21 days will rewire your awareness completely. Here's the truth they don't want you to know. If you're already creating ripples, the question is, are they ripples you want? Your unseen legacy isn't just what people remember. It's every life you've touched, every smile you've inspired, every person who felt a little more hopeful because you existed. I want you to try something. For the next 7 days, implement one element of the CARE framework. Pick your micro moment, be intentional, and watch what happens. Then come back and tell me in the comments, what ripple did you create? What changed in your world when you changed your micro moments? Remember, the biggest changes often begin with the smallest acts. Your next micro moment could be someone else's turning point. What will your ripple be?